Do your part for the environment at a great price. Say goodbye to those brown paper bag days and hello to a more environmentally friendly approach to lunchtime. Reduce waste and save money with our reusable lunch bag. Wildkin's lunchbox is not only one of the best options on the market, but each lunchbox for kids pattern offers an exciting and bold look that makes it fun to carry around. Pick your favorite lunch bag color or let your little one select a pattern with their favorite theme. Spacious design. Measures 10 by 8.5 by 5 inches. You'll find this insulated lunch bag super spacious and will have no problem fitting more than just your lunch inside. Go ahead, pack that extra treat. Premium fabric makes this kid's lunchbox durable, sturdy and easy to clean. Insulation helps retain hot and cold temperatures in the insulated lunch bag throughout the day to improve food quality, freshness and taste. Mom's Choice Awardee. Wildkin is a recipient of the prestigious Mom's Choice Award. The MCA evaluates products created for parents and is globally recognized for establishing the benchmark of excellence in family-friendly products. Using a rigorous evaluation process, we are scored on quality, design, educational value, originality, appeal cost. Around the world, parents, educators, retailers trust the MCA Excellence Seal when selecting quality products, services for families and children. Travel-friendly design. Make travel easy with this lightweight lunch bag for kids, boys and girls that features a hook and loop closure with a top carrying handle. This convenient insulated lunch bag for kids collapses flat for easy storage around the house. A travel-friendly design lunch bag for kids that you shouldn't miss having in your home. Pattern coordinates with other Wildkin and Olive Kids items. Make a theme out of it. This lunchbox for kids is part of our Olive Kids collection. Each lunch bag for kids, girl and boy, was designed to coordinate with other Wildkin gear and Olive Kids items. From backpacks, to duffel bags, to sleeping bags, your child will love having their favorite kids' lunch bag designs with them on the go. Spacious design. Measures 10 by 8.5 by 5 inches. You'll find it super spacious and will have no problem fitting more than just your lunch inside. Go ahead, pack that extra treat. Pattern coordinates with other Wildkin and Olive Kids items. Make a theme out of it. Each lunch bag was designed to coordinate with other Wildkin gear and Olive Kids items. From backpacks, to duffel bags, to sleeping bags, your child will love having their favorite designs with them on the go. Guaranteed satisfaction. PVC, BPA and phthalate-free makes this an eco-friendly option with an unmatched quality and a reliable replacement warranty for service you can trust. Manufacturer recommended age, 3 years and above. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. So cute. Exactly what I ordered.